Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Junkie. In this video, I'm going to unbox one of the popular brand Bluetooth speaker called JBL Go Essential and give you the overview as well as sound test of the speaker at the end of the video. So don't forget to stay till the end of the video to hear the sound test of the speaker. Now without further ado, let's get started. The JBL Go Essential is a portable waterproof speaker. It claims to have JBL Pro sound via the 40mm speaker, and it is pretty small and weighs in around 177 grams. I have here the box of the speaker itself, and on the front side of the box it has picture of a speaker itself with the logo of JBL and says Go Essential. Notice it has a small battery icon and says 5H at the bottom right corner. It identifies that the battery lasts for 5 hours for non-stop playback. There are some additional information at the bottom like its serial number, etc. On the left side of the speaker, it says Dare to Listen, and at the back side, it mentions some of its key features like 5 hours of playtime and IPX7 waterproof, etc. I had already broken its seal, so let's take a look what's inside the box. Now let's slide it out. Here we have the speaker itself at the top wrapped in plastic. Put that aside and let's see all the contents inside the box. It looks like we have quick start guide and warranty card. Wrapped by them is USB type A to micro USB charging cable, and the quality of it is average, so you might have to be extra cautious when you are dealing with it. Moving on, now let's look at the star of the show, that is the speaker itself. It is red in color and you can find it in blue as well as black in color. Now I'll give a quick overview of the speaker. It has a speaker driver and power indicator at the front, and at the top it has 5 buttons. From left to right it has power button, Bluetooth, volume down, up, and play pause button. At the side it has flap for waterproofing. Beneath it, it has micro USB port for charging. Now let's turn on the speaker and do the sound test of the speaker. Well, you be the judge of the sound quality.
Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through.
Differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life to be a better me.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the unboxing overview and sound test of the speaker. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in the next video.